So on this unboxing video review, we're going to be looking at this. It's a Jump Starter portable charger from Amazon, sent to me from this company here. Is it Otim, is it? That company there, they sent me it. Link to the Amazon will be below. You've got a power charge, safety elements, engine start, emergency light. I've had a few of these. I've had a cheaper one that I got off Amazon. Just because batteries go in cars, and I like to keep one of these in my vehicle. And you can also charge your phone with this. It's got lights, it's got USB port, it's got a jump cable. God, these things are brilliant just to keep in the car. So let's have a look at this one. This was about £70 off Amazon. Let's have a look what we get in here. I will be testing this on the car as well. I'll show you a flat battery. If my battery's flat, because I've got an old car out there, if I'm sure the battery's flat, I will start it up. Nice hard case. This comes in a really nice case. You can tell straight away that this is the expensive model. It's got some creme de la pâte with it. Let's open this up here. Like I say, really nice hard case. You get your cables. So this is your jump starter. Put them on your car battery. You plug this into the device and you start your engine. It's that simple, and they work. There's a little button there. I think you've got to push the button until the light comes on, and then you start your engine. You get some other cables in here. Let's show you all these cables. You get a bag. It's probably saying in that you get a plug to charge this up, and you charge it with USB-C. So that's good. That's good. They're moving on to the USB-C. It's a nice flat ribbon cable. And you got a plug with it. So this is an English plug. If you're thinking what the hell plug's that, but if you buy it in whatever country you're in, you get your country of choice plug. It's really nice. It's a really nice plug. I ain't used it yet, but so far you're seeing the quality. Like I say, the one I had before was about £50, and you can tell where the extra money's gone in this one. You get a manual, read that in your own time. Probably best to read the manual. And then you get the battery pack here itself. I need 2 hands to pull out. This is a lump. It's nicely padded in there. Nice secure case. You can put this in the boot of your car. And here you go. Look at that. Look, the space age technology on that. None of these are buttons. These are just designs, really. You got your button there. You can test your battery, so it's come fully charged. I didn't know the size of the battery. It is a 15,600 mAh battery. It says right there, 15,600 mAh battery. So it's a big battery in it. It's not messing about with a battery. You've got some ports around the side. That's where you charge it up, and that's how you can charge it with it if you want to charge it that way. You've got a torch here. You've got an output 1 and an output 2. This is a fast charge, whatever they want to call it, fast charge port. And this is your engine start. So to start your engine, undo that, put this in, just like that. Clip them on your battery. Press the button on this. Hold on, let's go around here. So it's flashing red. Press your button on that, and you start your engine. Then you get about 30 seconds, I think you get. Like I say, that's why it's best to read the manual. But that's how simple it is to start your engine. I'm going to go and try this on the car. Already I'm seeing the quality of this. Nice case. Everything fits in there nice. You've got a really nice hard case. It's a quality one. You can, like you say, you can get these sort of battery packs things off Amazon. Range from probably 30 to 130. Maybe 230, I'm not sure. But this is like the middle of the range one. You get cheap ones. You get really expensive ones. This is a good middle of range model, and it does feel like it's come well equipped. It's come well equipped, so we can charge all our stuff. You can get a USB-C, so you can plug that in there, and you can charge your phone if you've got one of them. And to put the torch on, if I remember, I think you have to click this 3 times or something. Here we go, and there's your torch. Just a handy little torch to have in the car. Looking under the engine, whatever you're doing. Hold it, and I think it goes off when you hold it. I mean, it's got SOS mode. I'm not sure how to do the SOS mode. There you go, there's SOS mode. SOS. And then to stop it, you just turn it off. So you go, that's that jump starter from Otim. I can't pronounce that. Let's go and start the car up. So we go. Car battery is completely flat. Moved it the wrong way. It's an old car. Absolutely nothing on that at all. Not even making a little noise. So put the battery pack on. Just connect it like that, obviously red on red. Nice red. You just, and that's flashing like that, it's ready to go. Go on then, try to start it up. This car ain't been started probably for about 6 months.
No.
Nothing.
No.
Now try.
No.
Oh, you have to hold the button in so this goes green. It was my mistake. So that's solid green now. Just held that little button in. Here we go. 6 months it ain't been started. Turn it off then. And then you just unplug these. Hold on. Then you just unplug these. And you're done. So yeah, the mistake I had with this. See, this is solid green. You want that to be solid green. I just held this button in and it just turns it off. When it's like that, you want to hold it. And solid green.